To stay off the roads this weekend in anticipation of a winter storm that could bring 2 feet of snow to Denver.
Welcome back inside of the Plastic Planet. I am your host, Nick Nack, hanging out with you guys today. Guys, today is Friday. I am rolling around the Mile High City right here in Denver, Colorado, my hometown. And I am on the hunt for some, for some action figure fun. We got a giant winter storm riding up our ass. It's going to hit in about 6, 7, 8 hours. And so I'm just out for the essentials today. And of course, that is some action figures and some bad financial decisions. So I don't know if we're going to find anything today, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to head over to my cool collectible store here in town. That's Hero Headquarters. We're going to head over to Hero Headquarters. Been a while since I've ran a video over there. So we're going to run over there, see what they got. And then afterwards, maybe we'll hit up a couple big box stores as well. So stick around, guys. It's going to be a fun, stupid video today. Let's do it.
Knickknacks Plastic Planet. With your host, it's Knickknack. Transmission 143.
Alrighty, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little walk around Hero headquarters right here in Westminster, Colorado. Very, very fun store. Good people in there, and I enjoy coming here. I come here about once a week, but I usually only shoot in here about once a year. But I do enjoy coming to the store. I did pick up one thing in there today, although they had a ton of good shit, including some Hot Toy stuff. You guys noticed that. A lot of fun Hot Toy stuff, a lot of great statues in there, a lot of higher end stuff. But I went a little low end today, and that's okay though. But I did pick up this this Quintesson Sharkticon guy from Earthrise. So I picked this guy up. So really, really cool. Look at the box art on that. So yeah, very cool. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. So anyway, really cool. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Transformers the movie, so that's why I got this guy right here. So anyway, yeah, pretty awesome. Really, really good. Fun time. All right. Alrighty, guys, we are at stop number 2 today, and we're going to be checking out a Best Buy. This is actually the exact same Best Buy that I used to come to in high school to buy CDs and cassette tapes, if you guys can believe that. I actually bought Bryan Adams, Canadian rocker Bryan Adams, Waking Up the Neighbor album on cassette at this very Best Buy. Don't laugh, Bryan Adams is a legend, man. I forgot my mask. We've only been doing this for a fucking year. So we're in Walmart. I was really excited to see these guys, but then I realized that they're not the actual vintage Headmaster Transformers. They're, you know, remolds of them, modern remolds in vintage packaging. Vintage packaging's cool, but again, I'm just not that jazzed about getting them because they're modern remolds. And actually, those, you know, you can just see the Headmaster itself is much smaller than the vintage ones were. But it's still really cool, just not necessarily something I want to pick up. Beast Wars was a little after my time as far as nostalgia goes, because I was obviously a child of the 80s, and these are much more 90s. I was in college when that show was on, so not a lot of nostalgia there. Actually, on the other side of town, this is actually a much bigger Walmart store than the one I usually frequent, and just like my Walmart store, they don't have a lot. It's pretty sad selection here. Back in the electronics here with more premium collectibles, Funko Pops, etc. I am not a Funko Pop guy, as you guys know, but that's pretty cool. The arcade 1-up section. Here's Miss Pac-Man, and no light up marquee on this one, and it doesn't come with a riser. I thought we'd move past that one arcade 1-up, but I guess not. I know there's another version out there you can get with the light up marquee and the riser, but so I wouldn't pick up this one for 300 bucks. No way. Gotta have the riser and the light up marquee, damn it. That's Pac-Man. That's Pac-Man Plus. Hey guys, so we are leaving Best Buy and Walmart over here on this side of town, and there's a reason I don't do toy hunting videos a lot, because mass retail is kind of sad sacky, man. Just not a lot to not to check out. I mean, there were some things I might have bought. You know, the carbon freeze chamber at Best Buy looked decent. Those Headmaster Transformers, even though they're a different mold than the vintage in the retro packaging, are cool. But again, nothing that just, like, you know, jumps at me, you know, crawls in my pants, massages my balls, cool, you know. Alrighty guys, so we are over at my local Target store right now, and let me tell you, this store has been about as flush lately as my sex life has been, but that's no reason to stop trying, right guys? Yeah, so anyway, let's go in and check it out. Maybe we'll find something. NECA and Funko section. And nothing really exciting. I thought from afar that was a Snoopy pop, and I was kind of excited, but no, it's just Dio. Alrighty, guys. Well, you know, just like in your love life, persistence is the key. And yeah, the Target actually sprouted some fruit for me today. Check it out, guys. I got Stratos. He's a winged warrior. I love this Masters of the Universe retro line. As if you guys are a long-time viewer, subscriber of my channel, I didn't collect He-Man as a kid. This is purely a line that I've gotten into as an adult, and Mattel makes it really easy with this line because these only are $14.99 a piece. I mean, they're cheaper than your average 6-inch action figure, cheaper than your Marvel Legend, cheaper than your Star Wars Black Series, cheaper than your DC Multiverse, and they're just fun. They're just really, really fun. A great line, and it looks like the new wave is out, and look at that, you get a Hordex in that wave. I really want to get me a Hordex, so really, really cool. So that's something for me to keep an eye out for. I also picked up, and I've been coveting this for a while, and I thought, what the hell, I just pulled the trigger on it. I got from the Amber collection, total Mattel haul here with He-Man in this. Got this, the Velociraptor Echo, and you can't really see him with the glare coming off the packaging, but really, really cool. This Amber collection's really cool. This is basically like 6-inch scale as far as the action figure itself goes, but I already have one of the Jurassic Park Amber collection Raptors, so he'll go really good with that. So looking really, really badass. You can get these in some pretty awesome poses, so stay tuned for that. I'll be probably doing that here on the channel, showing that off, but yeah, pretty cool. So that was good. That was a good haul, Target. Not too bad. Not too bad. There were some empty pegs in there to be sure, but pretty cool. All right, that was great. Next up, we're going to be dropping into a loan stop here to get a payday loan. Oh, I'm just fucking kidding. Never fucking do that. Now we're gonna go to GameStop. Right there. We're gonna go into GameStop. Alrighty, guys, so I was just in GameStop and chalked this up as a first, but I bought a pop. I never buy pops. I typically hate pops, but this is really cool. So I picked up Skeletor. This is a jumbo size pop, so this was about 30 bucks. But I picked up Skeletor here, and what I hate about pops are their cold, dead, black eyes. I just hate that. They're just soulless. But Skeletor, no, not the case there. He's got those nice, bright, beady red eyes. So he looks really, really damn cool. Again, I'm just kind of getting into Masters of the Universe as an adult. I didn't collect Masters of the Universe stuff as a kid, but I'm really kind of having a fun time picking up a few odds and ends from that collection. And I actually bought a pop because this is a badass looking Skeletor. So definitely, I'm going to open this shit, and I'll show that off in a later video.
For you, so you're able to find the best mortgage for your home financing need.
All right, guys, so we are at our last stop this afternoon. I am at my local Walmart. This is my usual Walmart, and I haven't had a lot of real good luck over here. But we're going to stop in anyway. It is crazy busy here. I can just tell by the parking lot because people are prepping for this big winter storm we're going to supposedly get this weekend. So well, this might be an in and out kind of thing, but we're going to go check out, see if they have anything at all in here. Some dinosaurs. Looks like they have had a mild restock here. I've been tempted by these, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. I just don't know if I need more Ghostbuster figures. I really like my Hasbro Plasma one. Ghost Papa. Here's their Star Wars and Transformers section. God, what a fucking mess. It's a PK meter. Cup. 86 cup. Those red series. Megatron's pretty cool. Alrighty, over in electronics with the adult collector aisle here. Seen a lot of the same stuff we saw at the other Walmart. Some exceptions. That might be a good movie. We'll see. Well, I'm back out of Walmart there. What did I pick up? I don't know what it is, man. Maybe it's this snowstorm coming in, and the dramatic change in barometric pressure is like deprived oxygen to my brain or something. But I bought another goddamn pop figure. Okay, actually, I've been looking for a reason to buy this. I've been coveting this, and that Skeletor just totally obliged me to do so. Yeah, I picked up this giant jumbo pop He-Man figure. Yeah, this is pretty damn titties, man. This is awesome. So yeah, this is gonna go great with the Skeletor down in the archive/arcade room of the Plastic Planet. I'll be showing all that shit off in a later video unboxed. So stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, pretty awesome. Alrighty, guys, well, that is going to wrap up this edition of the Plastic Planet. Boy, did I waste a lot of money buying a lot of stupid shit today. But I feel totally prepped and ready for that giant winter storm. We're supposed to get giant blizzard, snow apocalypse, what have you, that is rolling into the Mile High City here in the next 6 to 8 hours. So I'm fully prepped. I've got so much plastic shit to open up and enjoy that I'm all set. So anyway, guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed that little toy hunt with me today. We don't typically do these on the Plastic Planet, but I thought it was well overdue to get one in, and I had a really good time buying a bunch of stupid shit. And yeah, so anyway, guys, well, like I said, that's gonna wrap things up here on the Plastic Planet. I got shaky cam going on here, guys. So please like, share, comment. Please do subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And guys, remember, life is oh so very, very, very short. So get out there and fill it. Fill it with some damn plastic crap. All right, guys, till next time. Later. Love you. Bye. God, I love going to Burger King. So delicious. You hungry for Burger King now? So goddamn good. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater.